Let's start over. I get emotional. It's just, I don't want to grab my makeup. I have a show. Okay, so here is it. Let's read what's inside. Yay!
That girl you see there? Well, that's me. I am Carmen. And in case you don't know, I've been dancing since many years ago. And how I got this award? Well, that's been a long journey. Let me tell you about it.
Action.
This is the first video I uploaded in YouTube. I was very young and with many dreams in my head. I started dancing when I was 8 years old. When I was 16, I opened my own dance studio. After 10 years of hard work and many amazing memories, I decided that it was the perfect time to try to achieve my main dream, become a professional dancer. So I packed everything, bought a one-way ticket to Dubai, and 5 years later, here I am.
Hi, Halloween. This is Carmen, and today I have a very special video for all of you, but mostly for me. Today I am able to finally open my YouTube place. Actually, when I received this box, I was in Mexico, in my hometown, and I thought I will only stay for 1 month. So I told to YouTube, yeah, let's send it to Dubai. I will come back soon. But I stayed there for almost 5 months. I was very happy, by the way. But now I'm back in Dubai. When I started this channel of me, I really never dream about it. When I think about 100,000 subscribers, it seems like a very, very, very far number for me, you know. Actually, I just do it for fun and to share my dance and my art, and I don't know, just I did it without thinking, you know. I never thought like I will start this channel. No. I just remember my very first video I posted in YouTube. It was an Iraqi dance video. So in that time, all this Iraqi dance was a new thing, you know, in the dancing community. So I just want to share my art. I just want to share this dance. So I never thought about getting plates and subscribers, and so here I am after many years later. Really, I am so thankful and so happy. I hope that this is the first plate to come. Inshallah, next one will be the 1 million subscribers maybe. Anyway, thank you so much. So yalla, let's go for it. Let's not waste more time. So here is it, and let's see what's inside. Chan 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 chan. Okay. So there is a letter from YouTube. It's in Spanish. Acabas de alcanzar un hito que muy pocos creadores de YouTube alcanzan. Tu canal obtuvo la sorprendente cifra de 100,000 suscriptores. Yay! It's in Spanish, but it says they are saying congratulations. And I reach all of these because I touched the hearts of many people and many beautiful things. Thank you, YouTube. Thank you so much. And here is it, my plate. Oh, it's so exciting. Done! It says, presented to Carmen Fragoso for passing 100,000 subscribers. Oh my God, I am so pretty. Oh, thank you so much. Thank you. Look. This is Thanks to all of you guys and girls and all of you beautiful people who follow me and support me. It's been a long journey since I start my first video. Thank you so much. I am so happy. Inshallah, the gold one is coming soon. And now I will put it here in my wall. And every time I see it, I will think about you, about your support, about your love. This is yours as well. Now I have to run because I have show now. Thank you again. And let's go for more. Mwah! Bye.